time, Sunita Kejriwal will be taking the political plunge into the heat and dust of political campaigning for the party for Lok Sabha election. Does it mark a change in the leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party?
Sunita Kejriwal is here today to take the blessings of the people of Delhi for her husband and Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And you can see the huge numbers in which the crowd is here because the people of Delhi love Arvind Kejriwal. The people of Delhi don't regard Arvind Kejriwal just as a chief minister. They regard him as their son, as their brother, as their family member. And that is the reason why thousands and thousands of people are here today.
Tell me one thing, does it mark a shift in the leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party? Because she's clearly filling in a void that was created by Arvind Kejriwal.
She is here to take blessings for her husband Arvind Kejriwal.
Do you have anything to say about the High Court judgment yesterday on the on books not being...
MCD has come to a standstill because of the actions of the Lieutenant Governor and the illegal nomination of eldermen in the MCD house. If eldermen had been nominated legally, there would have been no issues in MCD. If the Lieutenant Governor wants the MCD to function properly, he should discard the earlier nomination and nominate people in a legal manner.
Delhi Chief Minister's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, and former IRS officer has finally taken the political plunge into the heat and dust of the Aam Aadmi Party campaign for the Lok Sabha elections 2024. You can see in your visuals that Sunita Kejriwal is leading a road show from the East Delhi constituency in support of the candidate Kuldip Kumar Monu. Now remember, this is Sunita Kejriwal's first ever road show in the national capital, despite the fact that Aam Aadmi Party has been in the thick of the political affairs in the national capital for over a decade now. Now remember, Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal was arrested on the 21st of March, and since then he was sent to judicial custody and currently is in Tihar jail since the 1st of April. And more, Sunita Kejriwal actually has stepped out into the public domain, carrying the Chief Minister's messages to the people. And remember, in the two rallies of the opposition India bloc, it was Sunita Kejriwal who actually read out the 6 guarantees of Arvind Kejriwal. She has already campaigned in Gujarat and is all set to campaign more in Delhi and also in Haryana and Punjab. So this is a very big move as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, as far as the politics within the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Clearly, Sunita Kejriwal is stepping into the void that has been created by Arvind Kejriwal because he is currently inside jail and cannot campaign. Sunita Kejriwal is emerging as the face of the Aam Aadmi Party's campaign in the East Delhi constituency and in fact even nationally. My colleague can show you this gully in East Delhi is completely flooded with yellow and blue flags of the Aam Aadmi Party. There are posters and placards which essentially say jail ka jawab vote se denge, which is the Aam Aadmi Party's campaign line, and also the rap that was composed by the Aam Aadmi Party to campaign in these elections. Remember, this is not an easy step for the Aam Aadmi Party because its biggest face and vote catcher, Arvind Kejriwal, is currently inside Tihar. But Sunita Kejriwal clearly is trying to fill in that void. Now let me tell you a little bit about this East Delhi constituency. In 2014 and 2019, the BJP swept all the 7 seats in the national capital, including the East Delhi constituency. In 2014, the vote of percentage of BJP was around 46+%, and in 2019, it shot up by another 10% to 56%. But in 2024, for the first time in a decade, there will be again a bipolar contest over here, because for the first time, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party have come together and contesting these elections in an alliance. So Aam Aadmi Party gets to fight on 4 seats, one of which is East Delhi, and the Congress Party fights on another 3. It remains to be seen though whether the supporter of each party actually comes out and supports the other. But today, for instance, we really have not seen any Congress Party faces in this rally of Sunita Kejriwal. The other important point to note over here is that Kuldeep Kumar Monu, he is a Dalit candidate and is a MLA from the Kondli constituency. His father is actually still working as a Safai Karmachari from the Delhi Municipal Corporation. East Delhi is actually not a reserved constituency. So the Aam Aadmi Party is actually hoping that by the virtue of Kuldeep Kumar being a Dalit, he will attract the 15% of Dalit voters in this constituency towards himself and the Aam Aadmi Party. It is also hoping that whatever sympathy people may have for Kejriwal may translate into votes, and that is one of the reasons why it is pushing forward the face of Sunita Kejriwal. But remember, it will still be a very long haul, and both the parties, the Congress Party and the Aam Aadmi Party, really have to galvanize their cadre if they hope to give a fight to the BJP, which has been a dominant position in New Delhi for the past almost a decade, since 2014 and 2019, as far as the Lok Sabha elections are concerned. So now we can expect a more bigger and prominent role for Arvind Kejriwal's wife, Sunita Kejriwal, and it all remains to be seen, you know, what position she takes up from here on. दो बार चुनाव में बीजेपी ने दिल्ली के सातों के साथ सीट जीती, तो इस बार क्या लगता है आपको?
हमने केजरीवाल को ही वोट दिया था और अब भी केजरीवाल को ही वोट देना है।
ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसा ही देते आ रहे हैं, 2 साल या 10 साल से उसी को देते आ रहे हैं जब से केजरीवाल बना।
अच्छा, और उनको जो जेल में डाला हुआ है वो बोलते हैं कि वो करप्ट हैं।
नहीं, ये तो गवर्नमेंट जाने, गवर्नमेंट का काम होता है। हाँ। पर हमें तो वोट देना है, केजरीवाल को ही देना है, वो कहीं भी सही, पार्टी तो है ना उसकी।
इस बार चुनाव का माहौल क्या है? लास्ट बार और उसके पहले बार दोनों बार बीजेपी भारी बहुमत से जीती थी।
मैम इस बार मुश्किल है, इस बार आम आदमी पार्टी का है। सबका अपना अपना मूड है। हाँ। सब अपना ही अपने वोट डालते हैं। हाँ। कोई बीजेपी डालेगा, कोई झाड़ू वाला, कोई, सबका अलग अलग दिमाग है। अब जिनका है वो तो, हमें तो जहाँ तक लग रहा है कि बीजेपी निकलेगी यहाँ। अच्छा काम कर रही है, अच्छा देश को बढ़िया अच्छा ऊंचाई में ले जा रही है, भविष्य अच्छा बना रही है, सब चीज़ अच्छा ही काम हो रहा।
पूरी झुग्गी में वहाँ से वहाँ तक पाइप की लाइन पड़ गई पानी की, वहाँ से वहाँ तक पाइप की लाइन पड़ गई पानी की, ये पूरी झुग्गी छोड़ दी, यहाँ पर नहीं पड़ी। यहाँ पर आते पता क्या बोलें कि पैसे ख़त्म हो गए हमारे। केजरीवाल के ऑफिस गया था मैं, तो बोल रहे थे कि पैसे ख़त्म हो गए, जैसे पैसे मिलेंगे वैसे ही होगा। हमारे टाइम पे पैसे ख़त्म हो गए उनके।